What's up, Facebook? This is Glenn Moore here, and I have an exclusive announcement. In 2 weeks, I'm going to be launching my business. I'm going to be launching my ebook, which is the homeless man's $1 million business plan, and I'm launching my website, which you can get the book and you can also join my class where I go into details of the actual framework, the actual business plan. And like I said, this business plan got me not only out of homelessness, but it got me to start my business. And now it's been working so well that I'll be launching in 2 weeks. Like, I'm excited. Because my business is to help the next entrepreneur, help them get their start, help them, get them business ideas into a reality, really helping her, boost their business. Um, and I'm here to tell you guys, it was hard work, but there was something that made it a lot more easier. There was something that I used that really was a game changer. And a lot of people were really scared of it, usually because they don't know how to use it or because they look at it as something that's like they don't understand it, so it's like it's not really useful. But it's AI. I used AI not only to create my book, but it helped me create my content on my website. It helped me create my content on my Facebook. Um, it literally creates a lot of things, and it's like a lot of people are like, well, that's cheating. Oh, you just threw some stuff up on ChatGPT and literally threw it up on Facebook, or you threw it up on your website, and that's not true. I used the tool in a way where I I had to put my own information in. So what I did was I used Google Docs. Okay, I would put all my information in that my little brainstorm, and I will organize the brainstorm. I want people to understand this, and I want people to really go through this. I wanted to get people to understand what I was actually saying. And when I was creating back in the day, my biggest thing was I couldn't get people to really understand what I was saying. It was hard for me to communicate what I was saying. What me personally, what they call it, hood English. I talk hood English, so people from the urban neighborhood might understand what I'm saying, but the world, society, would not understand everything that I'm saying, and it was hard for me to really like tell my message for people to really like get it. And that's when I start using the AI. And when I start putting it together, I started putting bits and pieces of it, broken it down so that the machine, it's a learning machine. So it's going to learn me a little bit and little bit as I go on. So as I put little bit by little bit and detailing, ChatGPT to do this and make it like this, change this, take this out, you know, I used it and literally created. And it's been working for me. And I know other people been using the ChatGPT, using AI to create pictures, to create content. Literally all most of my copyright is, prompted by, some type of AI. And like some of the pictures on my website, some of the pictures that I use for Facebook is AI. It's literally everywhere, and it's been helping me dramatically. There's people been don't understand that they've been using AI for years, like TikTok and all that. Use AI, change your face around or put somebody behind you. Gemini, when you can Google literally anything. Uh, what is it? iPhone got the intelligence, and it's like AI is supposed to be here to help you. But a lot of people, are scared of it because it's like they don't understand it. And it's because, you know, they might take my information or someone might find me. People like to be private, and people like to They don't like things that's learning on them. They don't like things that's learning on them. And I understand that. Technology could be very scary. There's a lot of times people get robbed over the internet, and it's hard to stop cybercrime. So I do understand when it comes down to like using AI and being scared of it, but I don't think I use it to a certain extreme. I mean, I literally use it for content creators. I use it to create my content. It's been helping me out, really spread my message the way that I need to spread my message so it can communicate with you guys. It's a game changer. Back then, like I used to have to try to write everything out, and I would write everything out for hours, hours and hours and hours of me just typing and typing and typing, and then I would present it to someone and they didn't understand what the hell I was talking about. They didn't get it. Like, and like I said, it just helped me. It helped me change the game. Me using the AI, it's like I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a partner. It's like a best friend. You know, you talk to it, it learns, and it's like you build a relationship with the AI. And the more that you use it, the more it can help you, depending on your project. Like, like I said, it seemed like every time I use it, it seemed like it just knows me more, or it knows the project that I'm on. So it just keeps elevating it. Especially you got to have a human being or something to actually prompt the good stuff and push it out there. You can't just put anything in there and thinking that you're going to make $1 million because you got a website that you push. You know what I mean? Do some stuff up on AI. You got to put some work in, definitely. But I feel like it's a really great tool. And if you want to start your business, I feel like that's one of the biggest tools you should definitely pick up is some type of, you know, chat GBT where you could prompt information in and help you like communicate or basically hook it up. You might need help making something longer, or you want to prompt something to make it shorter, or you want to summarize it, or it's like literally, it's like a supercomputer. It's a supercomputer, and if you use it correctly, it can be powerful. People are writing books and literally getting them published using AI and then selling the book. People are creating pictures, then blowing them up and getting them printed out and selling them. People are using AI to communicate with different customers that are asking the same questions. It's literally a, you know, copy and paste type deal. Like you copy and paste a lot of different things and to create. You take upon your, like a lot of things people already created for you. People already made things that made life easier. Like back then, it was a lot more harder than what it is now. That's why it's a perfect time to actually start a business or to live your dreams, is because everything that you want could be at the palm of your hands, if you just put in a little bit of work, you know. And I know a lot of people don't think about it like that, but yeah, our imagination creates everything. And if you just put a little bit of imagination to the tools that were created by the imaginations of human beings, you could become something great. You know, I love it. I love the fact that technology has came to this point because it make life a lot more easier. It literally, it's like handed to you now. People say that with the technology of today, you shouldn't be broke. You shouldn't you shouldn't have like no money because there's so many different ways to make money now because of the world of data, the world of information, and you can figure out something that you want to do or something you have to do to build. It's the palm of your hands. You could literally Google anything. You could ask Google any question. It might not be able to answer you, but it will do its best to lead you in the right direction. You can learn. Like I learned all my information literally from online. Like legit. Like, and it's just crazy how the world is now, but it's so much easier, so much better. Might as well take it in, take it in. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I literally created all my stuff with AI. And other than that, I'm launching now. It's a great tool to use, but you want to do a lot more stepping stones, a lot more different things to make it happen. But it is a great tool. Um, but at the end of the day, I'm launching. I'm launching in 2 weeks, and I'm hoping that it prosper the way that it needs to prosper. So I hope to see you guys. I gotta go to work. Love y'all.